I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay while signed into the exact Google account that holds the payment history. Once done, tap Payments or Activity to surface recent items. This focuses you on the right records. Make sure the app is updated so options appear consistently. If you use multiple profiles, switch accounts now. This prevents deleting the wrong data and saves time when you move into the specific transaction controls in the next step. You tap the transaction to see details because removal choices depend on type, peer payment, card charge, or receipt. Next, use the three-dot menu or more to reveal delete, remove, or report options. These vary by region and payment method. If it's a bank-posted charge, you may only hide it locally, not erase the bank record. Keep that distinction in mind so you choose hide versus delete and gather any receipt screenshots before proceeding. You confirm delete or hide and follow prompts. Once removed locally, verify activity no longer shows the item. If the entry persists, unlink or remove the associated card or contact from Google Pay settings because some records sync back. As a final check, sign out and sign back in, then clear app cache if needed. If problems continue, contact Google Pay support. Meanwhile, keep screenshots of receipts as proof while you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.